What is going on, guys? So I'm actually out in the shop today working on the 5.0 build, going ahead and paint it before we go and put the pistons in, the heads on, because we now have the head bolts. As you can see, we still have the heads waiting, ready to go, all reassembled. Now I have the block. Got ahead and went ahead, put this in. It's nice, loose, set. I started working on the other side. I did paint that side, test it out. I'm going to go ahead and show you what I did for this side to prep it. I basically started out with the brake parts cleaner just to get all the oils off, and then once that was done, I took the torch and just went over the whole area here just to make sure I got everything off that I didn't want underneath the paint, as well as any of the fibers that came off of this while I was scrubbing down the loose chemicals or anything. So then what we have to do is, just like that side, go ahead and tape up all the surfaces. I'm going to go ahead and do this side as well for both, so I haven't done that yet. The back's fine, we don't need to worry about that. But I want to go ahead and show you the intake manifold. So we went ahead and painted it. I did a little stylized painting on the lettering. But yeah, this is all nice and painted up, matching the heads. That one got a little dirty, but yeah. But now I have the phenolic spacer, if I'm saying that right. Went ahead and got a 1-inch. Should be just right for keeping the heat away from the carb, and it's gonna help with a little bit of horsepower, not too much, but you know, every little bit counts when we're doing this build. And over here on the scooter, I have the head bolts. I didn't get studs because I really couldn't find the correct ones. There was a bunch of different ones, and it was just going to be easier to use the bolts. So pick these up, half the price of between those and the studs. Still have this engine. We need to go ahead and clean this up a little bit more, and then we can also assemble this one. I can order some more head bolts as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on this and finish taping. Alright there, guys, so I got you on the overhead view. I'm going to go ahead and tape along these lines here. And since I went ahead and sprayed the brake cleaner, this should stick quite well. With the engine block done being painted, I'm going to go ahead and leave the tape on all the surfaces for now, just to make sure everything dries, and then to also keep it from rusting. After this, we're going to go ahead and put the piston rings on and install the pistons, and then from there we'll attach the heads, and then from that point, you know, just finish it up, hopefully get it running soon. A buddy of mine is rebuilding the carb, because I've never actually rebuilt the carb, and that's a job for him to do because he's good at it. And once that's back, he'll go on to the top of the phenolic spacer, and yeah, that's it, guys. Before I pan over, I had gold paint left. Nope, you can't see it. I had gold paint left from another project a long time ago, and I just sprayed it just to see what this would look like. I didn't even prep anything. So here it is. I don't know. What do you guys think? I kind of like it. I kind of like the difference in the two. I'm thinking we could do silver and then do the gold or copper. Maybe the same as my wheels on the Focus. Have these powder coated. That, or do this type of gold, just clean this up, probably blast it, sandblast it, and then with a smooth surface, do a really cool black design over it. I'm not sure what, but something just like, I don't know. I'm gonna back up real quick so you can see. Now tell me what you guys think. So go ahead and leave a comment down there and let us know what you think the color scheme should be. If you like that one, like the idea. But yeah, that was just my question because I don't know. So AP's here. He's gonna go ahead and walk you around with some of the stuff while I clean. Here you go.
Alright guys, so this is a little update on the 5.0 build. Probably since the last episode we picked up a couple of different things, which I don't think that we've done any updates yet. So let me show you guys what we got. So we ended up picking up this Edelbrock Victor Jr. intake from Orlando. It's a single plane. Anthony just painted it, so we haven't unwrapped it yet. Anthony painted the transmission. What else did we get? We got another distributor, which I think it was this one that came. I don't know why that's here. An MSD distributor and water neck with a really cruddy thermostat. Yeah, so I guess Anthony's working on cleaning the other set of heads and the valve covers. What you doing? Looks a wee bit better.
Considering it was 100% grease.
I wonder how old that starter is. It looks fairly new now that it's not covered in grease.
Not sure.
Well, I mean, it still is covered in grease, but it's nowhere near what it once was. Really? You're cleaning the water neck with a torch?
Cleaning.
Taking bolts out. So we got the other set of cylinder heads soaking in some purple power to knock all of the crud off of it. Yeah, I guess we'll show you guys an update when they are clean again.
So here it all is at the end of the night. I gotta pack everything up, go ahead and take that apart again because I don't want to leave the head on there not bolted on. Yeah, that whole thing's full of parts, that thing's full of parts. I got another head over here. That one's all nice and clean now, as you saw. I am going to go ahead and sell the turbo. There will be a turbo kit on it, but we're definitely going to do twins. So that one's not going to work for us. If you guys need that turbo, it's for the 7.3 diesel. Let us know. And here is the starter after I went ahead and cleaned it. It cleaned up really nice. I can't remember if I got any shots of it before, but this was 100% covered in just grime. And yeah, spraying the brake fluid cleaner, or yeah, on that, just melted right away. I did that right into the trash over some cardboard. Yeah, so that's good to go. Actually, I haven't tested it to see if it works, but I'm hoping it does. Yeah, so I've also got some of the adapter kit ready to go. I do need to get the roller rockers, I think 1.7, and then I need to, once that's connected, check the push rod length. If I need to buy push rods, we'll do that. But yeah, that's the pistons ready to go. They are still okay. They're the same ones that are in here. These really need cleaned, but it's all right. AP still hasn't got me the puller, so I can get this whole faceplate off, clean this up. AP, if you're watching, bring me that. And guys, with all that being said, I think I'm going to go ahead and end it here. It's probably been a long enough video with what we have. I know it jumped around a little bit at some point, but yeah, if you guys like the 5.0 build so far, let us know down below. Give us a like. We definitely use it. Share the videos. Definitely let people know and come on over and watch what we got. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys next time, whether on the focus page, on the focus videos, or over on the 5.0 build. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.